Good morning, Avery.
Here you go. Here. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom. Yum yum yum.
So you're reaching for it.
No.
Well, she hasn't tried to get out of the seat since I turned on the camera. It's Lana over there laying down, Avery. Yeah, she's trying just a little bit.
There she is. Hey. Miss Prince.
She's trying to look at Lana.
Guess what?
Trying to get out of the seat again. You're supposed to stay in the seat, Avery. Honey, you're supposed to sit in the seat while you eat. Oh, Lord have mercy, girl. You're supposed to stay in that seat.
Here.
You're supposed to stay in the seat. You're not supposed to get out of that seat.
Here. Okay.
Nursing time. We won't film that.
You want to get out? You want that?
She wants more cereal. Look at her. Matter if she wants her foot.
No, you can get out. There you go.